what is one key takeaway for those that are joining us and listening today, or a piece of advice for the manufacturing leaders that we have joining us? What would you say?
Well, I would say definitely need to start looking at generative AI now, right? If you're not, you're already behind the eight ball, I feel like. And so figuring out what that means, like you said, I just wrote down AI agents. I feel like we need a new persona, right? to define that I hadn't really thought about that one yet, but really becoming an early adopter, I think, of at least the generative AI. I also feel like from a content perspective, content is such a challenge, and it's so key to everything that we do. So I do feel like in a couple of years, AI will make content development easier, right? It'll still be you need to verify, right? But I do hope for that we'll be able to utilize AI for some content development. But really, how do we have to optimize that content going forward? I think is what we really need to think about. And so, content is still going to be so important. It starts there. So I guess that's what I would say.